Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking sleek makeup, but first let's take a moment to appreciate these brows. Stay tuned. Started, don't forget to like and subscribe and push that little bell right there so that you will be notified every time I make a video. Diving into this On the Horizon palette by Sleek Makeup, I love that there are 3 different formulas in this palette. I love that. You will find a matte, a shimmer, and a hybrid in this palette. What I love about this palette is that it comes with a big, huge mirror in there. The color we're gonna dive into is this shimmery orange right here. Hello, how are ya? Isn't it lovely? Let's just swatch that for you right there. Oh, hey. You could even use that as a highlighter. Do you see that? Beautimus, beautimus. Let's go into another shimmer color. Let's go in with this green. Ooh, how pretty is that? Very, very, very buttery, you guys. Very, very buttery. These are mineral shades. They aren't made with the same ingredients as other eyeshadows. These are vegan and cruelty-free. So let's just dive into this third shade, and this is an amber color. It's very, 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 very sheer. You could even use this one as a highlighter. It hardly shows up on your skin. It's this one right here. Beautiful. So diving into our 4th color, this one is a little bit lighter than the other shade. You could also use this. This would be really good for an inner corner highlight. A brow highlight right here. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and dive into my favorite color of this palette, which is this golden one. It has some glittery undertones to it, not much to where it's overwhelming. You could use this as a highlighter, as all over the lid. It's very, very versatile, this shade right here. So let me go ahead and swatch that for you. Hello, sunshine. Hello. Oh, she's beautiful. I just want to put that all over my body. She is just gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, look at how that shines. Ooh. And as you can see, I am very, very fair toned. So a lot of shades don't really show up on me unless, you wet the brush first, but girl, we don't have time for all that. Before we dive into our second formula of this palette, I want to show you guys a closer look of these swatches. So I'm going to do that right now. Right, so diving into our second formula is going to be the matte colors, and I love a matte color. Give me a good matte pink and I will go to town. I like this one. This is a matte, it's kind of a khaki color. I don't know if you can see it on my skin. It's almost my skin tone. It's right here. It's almost my skin tone, so I would use that as my transition or all over. Diving into our next formula, we are going back in with some matte. So let's try this one. Just 1, 2 swipe. Hello. That's gorgeous. Let me see if it swatches good. Oh, honey. Yes. Look at that. I mean, it would be even good not wetting your brush. Wow, that one just like really amazed me. I have not used greens in any of my looks just because I feel like my eyes are green, so greens would, you know, but I'm gonna have to do a look on this and maybe I'll catch a tutorial. Diving into our next color, let's go into this blue. Hello, pigment. Hello, how are you? Beautimous. Oh. Now this one does have a sort of a shimmer finish. It's not really that matte. Can you see that? It's beautiful. Very last color that we are going to go in with, I just have my thumb left. Oh, sorry guys, blinding y'all. Is this gunmetal black. It almost looks like it would have a greenish undertone. Yeah, there we go. See, it has greenish undertones. Wow. I kind of just want to mix all these colors together. Woo! I just might. But let's swatch that one, and that will be our last. Ooh, I like that one. That one is divine. Beautimous, beautimous. Before I give my final thoughts, I want to just give you a closer look at that swatch. So we're going to do that right now. So final thoughts on this palette. I love, love, love this palette. I've grown more and more in love with it. I was lucky enough to be gifted this palette, but it does retail at $37, and I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. This is a limited edition, so don't sleep on it, girl. Before we wrap this video up, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if we get our goal, if we hit our goal is 100 subscribers. My husband will let me do his makeup a full prom glam. Let's do it. Tell your friends. Share, share, share. As always, if there are any products that you would like me to review, drop it in the comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Look at these brows. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.